Hey guys, welcome back to Explore with Osanda. This is the fourth episode of the WONDER Nuwara Eliya series, and today we are visiting the Shanthipura Eagles View Point, located in the highest village of Sri Lanka. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button to stay notified on more amazing content. Let's go! Okay guys, we just arrived at the Shanthipura viewpoint right over here. So this is the Shanthipura Eagles viewpoint. It's like made and it's like kept working by the Sri Lankan Air Force. So you must be wondering what's special about the Shanthipura viewpoint, Shanthipura Eagles viewpoint. So the Shanthipura Eagles viewpoint is the viewpoint in the highest village in Sri Lanka. Okay guys, now we are climbing the stairs to the Shanthipura Eagles viewpoint. So there are two floors. There's the first viewpoint and there's the very top roof point place. And now another thing most of you are wondering is how much are the ticket prices. So the tickets for a local adult is 100 rupees and for a local child it's 50. But it changes for the foreigners who have to pay 300 per adult and 150 per child. So now check it out, we just came to the first floor. Now there's one more floor that we are heading up to right now. So while we're heading up, I'll tell you another necessity you must not forget to bring here. It is of course a jacket. Now it's 6 p.m. when we came and it's like 19 degrees Celsius. It's absolutely freezing. And if you don't bring a jacket here, I'm pretty sure you're gonna freeze to death. So don't forget that. Okay guys, so the Shanthipura viewpoint opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. So you can watch the sunset. Okay, now we are coming up now. Oh wow, check the view out. We can see the whole area surrounding Nuwara Eliya, which is absolutely beautiful. So now you see this mountain right left side of me. That's the Piduruthalagala mountain, and the town beside it where that lake was, that's the Nuwara Eliya town. And now you guys can see like a bit of houses and a village in this whole area. That's the Shanthipura village, the highest village of Sri Lanka. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay guys, let me just zoom up on the Gregory Lake. So I'm gonna tell you this, next video or a few videos further, we're gonna be visiting the Gregory Lake and also the Piduruthalagala mountain. So stay tuned for that in our WONDER Nuwara Eliya series. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and leave a like. So now I'm gonna go, guys. Bye.